Today's plan is to do three things. First, work on the financial part of our life, seeing what stocks we want to buy. Second is working out. And third is working on a client project and maybe sprinkling between some walks with my wife. If you want to see how our day turns out, just keep watching.
I have to watch a.
Let me show you what I built to track our stocks that we're buying. So for example, here I have a performance overview. This is generated automatically by a script. So if I want to track what we buy, for example, in January for 2021, all I have to do is say, okay, what are we buying? The ticker is, for example, for Coca-Cola, KO. And then and then it populates already the current price of the share. And then how many shares do we want to buy in January? Maybe 6, and then we also have to say, oh, at which price we bought the shares, right? Because they can vary throughout January. So let's say we buy today, that's gonna be $54 per share, and then we have an average of $54 per share that we bought these. And then we can also say, oh, what if we just also want to buy Apple, and then also maybe 10 shares of Apple at the price of currently 132. So this is how much we bought, for example, right now for January. And now I can go into performance and then say my script update performance. And what it does is it takes from all the years, all the tickers that there are with AMD somewhere. Where do we have AMD? Oh yeah, right, in 2020. With 2020, our shares that we bought. And now it populates it, for this example, 22 shares of Apple at a cost basis, average 126. The dividends per share is 82 cents, and that means for only having Apple, we would get $72 per year. And then all the dividends would be 111 because Coca-Cola also pays you dividends. And then you have an overview of how your portfolio looks like, what do you have, and how much of it. So part 1 of the day, I think, is done. As I said, sprinkling some walks in between. Now, I have to get some socks. And then we're gonna take the trash out. And then don't mean Toki by that. We're gonna take Toki out and the trash. Toki, you wanna walk? You don't wanna walk? You're sitting comfortable? You're so cute. Let's go.
I thought the storage was full.
Yeah, I deleted some videos to free up the storage. This is where Toki usually pees. Right in front of our door. Okay. So it's either around the block here, or we go to the waterfront, or we go to the lake. Next, working out. You're so cute, Toki. You're so cute. Workout. Next, showering. Alrighty, now I told you I'm sprinkling in between some lunchtime, and this is what Susie prepared for me. Yummy. Okay, 2 out of 3 things are done, and the final thing for today to do is finish at least 1 or 2 tickets for a client. Let's get to it. I'm done working.
Are you?
Do you want to look into some stocks?
Yeah.
All right.
Any other special?
I was thinking of UMC. Okay, we got hungry, so we will make frozen pizza. Big fan of it. Someone even on Instagram wrote that we are eating like 4 times in a week pizza. It sounds like a lot, and it's actually true. It's actually true. Toki, do you smell the pizza?
Do you want to?
Yes, please. Okay, I think for today, the only thing left to do is dinner, buying some stocks, and then relaxing together. Maybe watch an episode of Startup on Netflix. What do you think, Toki? Is that a plan?
Yeah.
That is a plan. We had some slack time, some time where we just ate pizza and watched a series, an episode. We are back to stocks now. We picked stocks and now we want to decide which one we want to buy today and which one we're gonna buy in the next few days. Okay, I didn't know that the market is going to be closed today, so we're gonna buy them shares on Monday. I hope you enjoyed following us around, or me around, or us around on the first day in 2021. This is more or less how the day would look like if we have a day off, spending time together and doing some productive things. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this kind of series.